So if you want to go back to the home page, you can from here setting and choose language, and this is earloop welding unit. So we enter, and I will show you the movement for each one, the meaning of each one. This is aggregate motor to control this conveyor. So you press it continuously and it will move. You press it continuously. This is for manual adjustment. Press it continuously. Okay, next page. This one is aggregate motor and output motor. Output motor is to control this. Output motor and output cylinder. Output cylinder is this one. Yes, this one. So next page, loop joint cylinder. Loop joint cylinder. Yeah, this is loop joint cylinder. This one and the other one for joining the earloop. And finger cylinder. Finger cylinder. This is finger cylinder. Finger cylinder. Yes. And then it's the scissors cylinder. Scissors cylinder. Scissor cylinder here. The lock loop cylinder. This is the lock loop cylinder. Two clamp cylinder is wait. Yeah, this is the two clamp cylinder. Clamp lifting cylinder. Okay. Rotary cylinder. 旋转缸。Welding cylinder 焊接缸。超声波焊接 ultrasonic welding。And this is a float rod motor and weld pressure cylinder. 压料焊接压料缸。